Today we're going to learn about PowerPoint 2016, a powerful tool for creating presentations. Let's start with how to open the program.
All right, class, let's get started. Can anyone tell me the first step to open PowerPoint 2016?
You click in the search box at the bottom left side of the screen. You type PowerPoint in the text box and then click on PowerPoint 2016 from the list of applications that appears.
Now, what are the advantages of using presentations?
Presentations help organize information in a structured manner, make it easier to convey ideas visually, and can be shared with others.
Excellent. Once PowerPoint is open, you'll see the interface. Can someone describe the main parts?
There's the ribbon, which has tabs like Home, Insert, and Design with various commands. There's also the Slides pane, which shows thumbnails of all slides, and the Notes pane where you can add speaker notes.
Right. To create a new presentation, what should you do first?
Click on the Blank Presentation option on the Start screen. You click on the placeholder and type in your text. There are layouts like Title Slide, Title and Content, and To Content. Click on the New Slide button on the Home tab and choose the layout you want.
And if you need to delete a slide.
Click on the slide in the Slides pane and press the Delete key, or right-click on the slide and select Delete Slide.
To view your slides as a slideshow, you use the Slideshow tab. You can start from the beginning or from the current slide and navigate using the mouse or keyboard arrows. Remember, saving and opening presentations is straightforward. Use the File tab to save your work, give it a name, and choose a location. To open an existing presentation, browse to the file and double-click to open it.